lento, ni mucho, ni nada.
It doesn't like the pressure on the start. It's always got an issue.
Vamos a agarrar los dos y hacer uno que funcione todo y tirar el resto. That's the stupidity that I committed. That's why I have so many 450s. Because I started, I'd buy ganga parts y la chingada. Pretty soon you got so many parts. Oh, I can build another one. Something to do. And I started building them y luego te caga los huevos because you can't get them all to fly exactly the same. But the damn thing hovers real good. At least that's good,
Yeah.
It's not anything funkier because of the crash, but just what's a good idea after you fly it a little bit, make everything tight, and just look at everything, no?
Mhm.
But it seems really smooth and stable.
Yeah.
It's maneuverable. I think you got a lot of helicopter to learn with, that's for sure.
That's definitely for sure. Compared to those little ones where you can slam it around and make it do stuff, this thing you just gotta be very respectful of it, no? Because it's gonna go.
But sometimes you gotta point it in the direction and just let it go for a little bit and see what happens. Let it fly, no? And do input and stop, and do input and stop, and just keep moving it. You get comfortable with it. Because it isn't, something you need to do in 2 days. But I see that type of movement is good. And it's staying practically level, so there's no weird attitudes to it. Just don't bank it a lot. Just take it easy with that until you get used to it. Pero let it move around on you. Because it's harder to keep it in one place than it is to let it move around and keep it flying. See, that maneuver just gets you used to the tail and moving it around and knowing what it does and doesn't do. I think that's the essence.
So funny.
Was that 3 minutes? 3.5? How much time is it?
3.5.
3.5? Yeah. Time flies when you're having fun.